Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you all are enjoying your weekend. I wanted to just make a quick screencast just in case you still had any questions about working in the course. I'm so excited to get to know all of you. But I know sometimes working in a new course, a new format, there can still be, questions that remain after a couple days. So I just wanted to record this and hopefully you find it helpful. So announcements is going to be a really important place. You can't see all of these because some of these are set to release a little later. Um, but one reminder, if you have not submitted your introductory assignment, please make sure you submit that as soon as possible. And once you do that, you will be able to see the course content folder. Also, the syllabus is available in the syllabus link, and it has important information about grading, how grading is weighted, also my information, and my information is also found in the instructor tab. And of course, you can check your grades regularly. I do try and update grades within 48 hours of due dates. So a best practice in the course is to always check your grade book within a couple of days of the due date, just to make sure it looks like what you are expecting, and that way we can troubleshoot problems immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and open course content here. And when I do, you can see that there are 5 modules total, so 5 different units. We could think of them as chapters in the course. And then we have a course research project, which is due at the end. If you notice, I've built in a bit of a cushion for you. So the last item in Module 5 is due April 29th, and then your course research project is due May 8th. My advice is to work on the course research project throughout the semester, but I've given you that cushion of time just to make sure that you can, pull everything together, polish it off. Um, and so you can, make sure and focus on that course project towards the end. So the due dates for each module are listed here with the module description. So each module has 3 due dates: the reading, the Flipgrid initial post, which is the initial video you're recording, and then the Flipgrid responses and written response. And the reason that the Flipgrid initial post is always a bit earlier is because when it's time for you to respond to classmates, I want to make sure that everyone has an equal opportunity to respond to different classmates. So if all of us have already put our original response, then there's no risk of us not having enough people to respond to when it comes time to respond. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our first module. Um, which is on Barcelona and Catalonia and the struggle for independence. So you'll see lots of resources here. Do take your time to look over them. Some of them are videos. It gives you a chance to hear the perspectives of the people who are involved in this issue. Some of them are reading, and so you can also consider the bias or the perspective that that media outlet would have. And then once you come down, you're going to see the 2 assignments. So these units are just for consistency. They're all very similar. They all have a Flipgrid assignment and they all have a written response assignment. So again, one is more interactive and then one is, you alone kind of getting a chance in written form to show me what you've learned and to synthesize the information. So for Flipgrid, this is the link to our Flipgrid course. And then I give you the password here, which is Spanish 141. So if I follow the link and then I'm going to type in the password, you can see it's going to pull up and it actually has all of the modules here. Okay, but right now we're on module 1. So what Flipgrid is, a few students asked, what is Flipgrid? It is really just a video discussion board. It's a way that you can post your initial thoughts and then we can respond to classmates. So when you are ready to add a response, what you will do is click here, the plus sign. And then eventually when it's time for you to respond to classmates, you will see their videos appear here. You'll click on a video and then you'll see a green button that gives you the opportunity to reply. So again, I don't want it to be all writing. I want us to really be able to put faces to names, to interact with one another in this course. And this is a way for us to do that. Okay. And then the written response will tell you, what the specifications are, Microsoft Word document. And again, always check the grade book regularly. So I hope this has been helpful in just navigating the course, and I'm so excited to work with you guys this semester.